Okay, just to start with, as I had already informed everybody in the call, there is two main purpose why we are going for this online e-module. One, we can save our time. Okay? Other thing, it will be like a passive income to all of us. And the reason I'm inviting all the trainers is we'll get more visibility, and we can help each other to grow as well. So that's my main objective behind all this thing. And I'm happy that everybody have accepted this invite, and we are part of the first meeting, official meeting that's going to happen. Okay, so first thing is I want everybody to decide what is the topic on which they are going to create the online module. Okay, based on your niche. If you have already conducted online webinars, if you have already invited participants to join your online webinars, then you'll be very familiar which topic is very famous amongst your participants and which one to take online. Okay, so have you got any prior experience of conducting online webinars of your own and attracting participants? Girish sir?
Yes. I'm doing it, but online that specially prepared that module like thing. This I never tried that way. Otherwise,
Okay.
one-to-one classes and other classes and training at that I am doing, and mentoring also I am doing mentoring for the school also.
Great, great.
Yeah.
So, as you told earlier, you are doing on
Parenting. I'm a
parent.
parenting coach.
You are a parenting coach. That's great,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay.
So, you're working on parenting coaching.
Yeah.
Lovely. You want to create an e-module on parenting coaching
Yeah.
aspect,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So, Pooja,
No, parenting, not parenting coaching. It is parenting actually. Parenting. That is the module will be in the name of positive parenting, like
yes,
not
positive
coaching.
parenting. Yeah, I understand. I totally understand you, sir. No issues. So we'll develop a module on positive parenting.
Yeah.
So kind of we can work on what is positive parenting, why positive parenting is required in this age,
Right.
how kids behave, and all this. We can just develop
Yes.
a
Yes. Yeah.
consolidated model. We'll discuss that later one to one.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
Pooja, have you
Yeah.
decided on the topic that you're going to take?
See, I can go ahead with public speaking if in case you have a, image consultant in your batch, then I can go ahead with public speaking as such.
Great. So, public speaking, do you feel that online module, e-module would be self-sufficient for people to learn?
See, for public speaking, I think I am doing with children right now for public speaking,
Okay.
teenagers, and yes, but I'm doing one-on-one for adults.
Okay.
Yeah, and that too online. But yes, image consultancy is one thing which I'm doing, like grooming, body language, image consultancy,
Mm-hmm.
everything that I'm doing online. And that,
Definitely, Pooja. I mean, we can still develop a course on public speaking itself, but then it has to be assisted with at least one face-to-face call, okay, wherein you can just give the basic modules of public speaking to them, that they have to go by themselves online, okay. After that, you need to give a personal touch to assess them at the end.
true.
Okay, so probably that we have to think over.
Yeah.
Will that be fine with you? Because still, if the first module can be completely e-module without any human intervention, so that is what we are looking at, because that
See,
will. Hmm.
if in case you want to go for children, I'm doing it from past 6 months and very successful. And I'm doing it for many other companies also.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I have my e-modules and I'm doing them for 1 month course, 4-day course, 8-day course. I have different
Lovely.
modules. That to 4 months course also.
Lovely, Pooja. So, as a part of level 1 module, okay, we are just planning of 10 hours course. Okay,
Okay.
so that this 10 hours we can plan anywhere between 1500, I mean anywhere between 999 to 2000. That is the price I am looking at for the level 1 module. So once we are successful in selling our level 1 modules, attracting more participants, then we'll go to a level 2 module, which would be an advanced version of our level 1.
Okay.
Okay, that's what I'm planning for. So initially, yes, you can work out as you have lots of e-modules for different clients. So if you want to target only children as part of first level, we can plan for public speaking for kids.
Yeah.
If you feel kids can go with e-module better, I mean, that's your call, because you are the master of that topic and you have to decide.
No, it will perfectly go without any face-to-face intervention. It will go perfectly well.
Lovely, lovely, Pooja. Then we'll fix this topic for you. Probably I'll make a note of the topics and speakers so that I don't have any clash later. Just a moment. Hi, Deepa.
Hi, good evening, Yashoda.
Good evening, Deepa. Good evening. So, yes, what is the topic you are finalizing?
Hello.
Yes, Deepa.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible, dear. Go ahead.
Great. So I have thought about two, topics. One is mood management,
Okay.
and the other one is for the stakeholders of the company, mid management and above, is reducing attrition and retaining the employees.
Okay, so when you say mood management, what exactly do you cover?
So I cover end to end of different facets of the life, personal, professional, both, and how do you go ahead and respond in situations which are beyond your control. Someone's death in your house. How do you control those kind of situations wherein you, of course, there are certain moods which are supposed to be there, but how much do you quantify them, and how much do you go ahead and um, show to the audience? I would not give everything right now to you, but in a snippet I would just let you know that it is how to control and balance out your different moods, be it positive or negatives,
Great.
in the
Great, Deepa.
environment.
So I feel this topic is more interesting and more unique.
Yes, it is.
Because I'm coming across this topic for the first time. Maybe others might have a different terminology to this topic, but then yes, this seems very fresh and very attractive. So kind of everybody would like to know what is the psychology behind. Yeah, does this involve psychology as well?
Kind of. Towards psychology, I'm a happiness coach. So, when it comes to different moods, see, there are moods that you can control over a period of
Okay.
years of life experience, people telling you, parenting, a lot of things. But there are certain moods that either you go ahead and suppress, or someone tells you, write it somewhere, or someone tells you, no, it's not correct, and you don't know how to react because you're the man of the house or you're the bread earner of the house, be it a woman or a man, and then you cannot show your weak moments, or you cannot show your anger because you're speaking with the CEO of the company or with your father or your mother. How do you go ahead and balance it and control it without affecting your mindset and your soul and your emotions? Because over a period of time, on the basis of psychology, it will affect you. And yes, you're right that it is a very fresh topic. I was see, I'm not a certified counselor, but because of my training experience, there are so many people who contacted me in the lockdown period. Some were suicidal, some were feeling claustrophobic, some were feeling there's partiality happening at home with the two kids, and a lot of other things. So while I was doing this, I was concentrating more on how they can, control and balance their emotions. And that's how I got this topic, mood management.
Lovely.
The
Yeah,
role.
lovely, Deepa. I agree. I mean, certification, yes, that does matter to a certain extent. But beyond that, when you have gained experience and when you have seen real cases in life, then definitely, I mean, no certification can stand in front of that. So definitely, it's a very good topic that we can think of. Okay, we have to uh, plan a perfect module that can set a basic level so that we can
Yes,
have an advanced level to it, okay, in
sure.
future. So in that way we have to make it limited in the level 1. uh,
Sure, we'll do
sure,
that.
great, that's a great topic, Deepa. So for maybe for others, I will just put it in the group that 3 of you are going to take up this topic, and others can come up with their own topic, whichever they want. And whoever comes first with their own topic, they will be given preference for that topic.
Sure. Okay,
That's how
very
I'm
good.
great. Yes. Now, coming to the modules, okay. As I have told, we are planning for 10 hours module in the whole. Okay. So each video can be 20 minutes long, maximum 20 minutes long. Don't make it longer than that. Okay. And we can have totally 15 days plan out. Kind of when it is a 10 hours module, we can break that into 15 small videos. So the 15 videos into 20 minutes each, I mean, it would be less than 10 hours only, that'll be coming up as a plan. But then we can go for 15 videos max for level 1. Okay, or
Okay.
15 subtopics, and each
Okay.
subtopic can have 2 videos as well. Okay, but then more than 15 lessons, if we plan for level 1, people will not watch for it, and that would
Okay.
be too much of information for them. Okay, so we are planning for 15 modules, under which we can have 2 videos as a sub module. Okay, so this is how we can plan. You can just break down your particular module into various sub modules in whichever manner you like, and you can just message me what's your plan. So once I approve it, I mean, it's not a kind of approval, but then just go ahead from my end. Okay, so if I feel there needs to be some changes or some inclusion, so I would be giving it from my end as well. But other than that, you can just go ahead with your plan. Okay, and then from your end, I will need one welcome video, okay, to see how you are speaking, or if you already have any YouTube channel of your own, you can send me that as well, so that I can just see a sample how you are going to present your modules. Okay, so once that is done, we can fix up a date by which we have to finish our module plan. That is first thing. Okay, so probably can we take 5 days? I mean,
5 days.
okay, if I mean just to write the module plan. Okay, if you already have your module plan, that's great. But for those who don't have their module plan and they have to sit, think, and then write it from starting, okay, for them I'm giving a time of 5 days. Is that fair enough? Girish sir, I know that you have to work on your module.
Yeah, yeah.
So keeping you on in mind, so do you feel that 5 days would be fair enough to write a basic module?
Yeah, yeah. Week time is yeah. Week times
Yeah.
is okay.
Great.
1 week.
So today it is 18th. Can we fix up 22nd as a deadline for giving the module?
22nd, no, 4 days, no, not at all.
Okay, fine. We'll include Saturday, Sunday as well, and I'll fix up 25. Okay,
Yeah.
25th as a
Yes, can.
last day to give the final module. Okay, so I'll just make a quick note of it. So Pooja and Deepa, hope both
This
of you
only
are,
video,
huh?
that module prepared or just the module that is outlined?
just the module outline.
Yeah.
Okay. And your first video also.
Yeah.
Okay. And the first welcome video, it can be very small for 30 seconds or 1 minute as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
25th Jan would be module. Okay. Deciding date. Fine. Okay, great. So suppose that we will be creating our e-modules. Okay. So for creating e-modules, say we have to create at least 15 to 20 videos. So in order to create 20 videos, what would be the time required? After 25th, okay, will that be feasible within 15 days after 25th?
It looks feasible, but
Okay.
once we start making the videos, see, it will be new for me because I have done online sessions, but there, either the module is the client's module or it is a free show for me to go ahead and use. Now
Okay.
this is going to be a self learning for someone, and
Okay.
I've done self learning videos where I am not at all in touch of that video. I just need to upload that video for someone to understand. So I will have to only tell you that let's get started, and maybe I will try to send you the welcome video and the module plan at the earliest before the weekend itself.
Okay.
And then I would require your guidance to see whether it happens in 10 days, whether it happens in 15, or whether I as Deepa would require more time. So I
Okay.
would need that
Okay.
guidance from you.
Fine, Deepa. I perfectly understand your perspective. But as of now, we'll have 15th February as a deadline for
Okay.
finishing our e-module. Okay. So those who are well versed at creating e-modules, okay. So we'll have 15th Feb as a deadline. If somebody feels that no, I need more time. So based on the progression, we'll just see if we can extend 5 or 10 days more. Okay. But beyond Feb 30th, I'm not going to extend any date. Is that fair enough?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because if we extend beyond 1 month, people become lazy or they'll lose their interest to complete a e-module, right? I mean, that is how I take it, because I've tried this with 4 trainers before, and there's only one trainer who could complete the e-module within 20 days. Actually, we had this 15 days deadline, but she could finish before 20 days. That is Rashmi Shukla. Other 2 trainers, due to some reason, they were not able to, due to a personal family reason, they were not able to make their videos. So I told them, okay, fine, no issues, but then I'll publish Rashmi's video now. Others, you can get back to me once your videos are ready. And it's been 3 months now, they yet to get back to me.
Okay.
So definitely the interest that is lost will not come back. Okay. So whatever it may be, we have to complete our modules before Feb 30th. Let us have that as a deadline. And in case of if you have any issues, I'm there to assist you throughout. Okay. And
Okay.
as we discussed earlier, it would be 70-30 share. There won't be any charges for hosting the platform or for uploading your videos on the platform. Once you start making your sale, then we'll share the profit. Okay. Until then, I won't be charging any money. And there would be FB lives. Okay. I'm planning a few organic ways by which we can promote each other. We can do Facebook lives, we can do YouTube videos for each other, we can promote in each other's WhatsApp groups. Okay. So these are the few ways, I'm planning to promote each other. So we'll also plan for ebooks and collecting leads. Okay, that would be a later stage. Uh, but currently I am following that method. Okay, I have created an ebook for POSH. I'm a POSH trainer, that is a prevention of sexual harassment at workplace. I have created my ebook, and I have my webinar on Jan 23rd. So hoping to have 40 plus organically collected lead to attend that webinar on Jan 23rd. So based on the success rate of that funnel, I'll just introduce that funnel to everybody as well. Okay. So as of now, this is our plan. If you people have any doubts, you can just go ahead.
Sure.
No, you are doing this videos. Is there any application you are using or?
See, I'm using Zoom only.
Okay, in Zoom.
Okay. Yeah, in Zoom,
With
I
the,
have a Zoom paid version.
No, that is with the slide share like thing.
Yeah. So
Yes,
I
okay.
can share my PPTs as well in
Yes.
Zoom. That makes it very easier. Okay, so I use Zoom only. And for editing my videos, I use Microsoft Photos. That is an inbuilt video editor in my Windows 10 laptop.
Okay.
Okay, so that makes it very easy to start and end the video, and it also helps me to add the title cards and all. So I can also show you how to do that. So you
Yes,
need
please.
help. Yeah. So okay, you want me to show it in this video itself?
No, we can have it on a different one, because
Okay,
let the
well,
others
once,
who
yeah,
join.
sure. Well, once we are done with our modules,
Right.
okay,
It's
we
okay.
can go with the editing of videos. So probably, I mean, it takes hardly 10-15 minutes when I use that software. Okay, so similarly, all the other softwares should also work in the same manner. So we can just figure it out which is the best software for us. Okay.
Which software you are using now?
I'm having Microsoft Photos, that is inbuilt
Okay.
video editor in my laptop.
Okay.
It's Windows 10 version. So I have that software. So I'm not sure what are the softwares available with you.
Yeah.
It's a free software, so you can just check if you have that inbuilt editor with you. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Any other doubt?
No, not as such. I was slightly confused. I mean, right in the starting, I thought it is an online, training platform wherein we have to go and train people face to face. Now, after this discussion, I have understood that I slightly misunderstood. It's probably going to be a video kind of thing, which we have to make, and then you are going to publish and sell it.
Yes.
Okay.
Pooja, did we have the call as well?
Yes, we did had the call as well, but then probably in that call only I slightly missed it, I think.
Fine. Because it's a E module. When you say E module, it's pre-recorded courses. So that's why I was asking you. So public speaking E module course, do you feel that those recording courses would be enough for students to understand it?
Now I understood, because I never knew this E module is video selling.
Great. No issues, Pooja. So everything is new learning for everybody. Okay, there's always room for new learning. Probably you can just think how you can devise your public speaking still around E module, because Udemy is selling lots of courses on public speaking in E module, right? We just see that. So you can just think how we can mingle both E module and a live version as well. So probably you can charge something extra for the live version. We can just plan it separately how you want to do. So based on that, we'll just work out.
Sure.
Okay, great, Pooja. So
Great.
any other queries?
No, that's fine.